Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to remove the radio from a VW Golf Mk6. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need plastic trim removal tools to avoid dashboard damage and a Torx T20 screwdriver. Before you begin, ensure your car's ignition is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. This ensures your safety and prevents electrical issues. Also, place a soft cloth over your gear selector and surrounding areas to protect them from scratches. Now, let's move on to removing the trim panels. Using your plastic trim removal tool, gently pry around the edges of the trim surrounding the radio. Start from the bottom and work your way up, applying steady, gentle pressure. You will hear clips disengage, which is normal. Once loose, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors, such as for hazard lights, by pressing their release tabs. Set the trim panel aside in a safe place. With the trim panel removed, the radio unit is now exposed. You will see 4 Torx T20 screws holding the radio in place. Typically, 2 screws are at the top of the radio unit and 2 more are at the bottom. Use your Torx T20 screwdriver to carefully remove all 4 screws. It is a good practice to keep these screws in a small container or magnetic tray. This prevents them from getting lost, as they are essential for reinstallation later. Finally, it is time to disconnect and remove the radio. Gently pull the radio unit straight out from the dashboard opening, just enough to access the rear connectors. You will find several electrical harnesses and the antenna cable. Carefully press the release tabs on each connector and pull them straight out. Once all cables are disconnected, you can fully slide the radio unit out of the dashboard. Congratulations, you have successfully removed your VW Golf Mk6 radio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.